Welcome guys. This weekly analysis is from 3rd of March to 7th, 2025. It's just for this new trading week, right? And in the last video, I told us, or I was asking a question in the video I made yesterday about the review of the just concluded trading week. And in that question, I asked us that now that price has come to our area we anticipated, what next? What next? You know, in our last week analysis, we anticipated price to push back into this block, and price was able to do it successfully. And the question is, what next? All right. And to answer that, I want to push you back. I want to push you to that of Forex Factory to know what market holds for us this week based on the red folders we have. All right, based on the red folders we have, how we can be able to align the whole thing and be able to decide or anticipate where price should be heading to. So please make sure you watch this video to the end, and subscribe or follow us when necessary. And you can also hop into our Telegram channel for updates on daily basis because of some fundamental issues. All right, let's hop into our Forex Factory for update. Yeah, as you can see here guys, that the red folders for this week is really much. We have red folders from Monday through to Friday. Okay, so on Monday we have ISM manufacturing PMI. Guys, if you hop into our Telegram free channel, you see that all of these things I explain the meaning of these red folders and the role they play, their function, or you understand their functions. So you can go there and search through the importance and the functions they play for every news that is being released on the weekly basis, right? So on Monday we have a new red folder. On Tuesday is for JPY. On Wednesday we have USD, but our focus is basically on USD because we are talking about the FX triad. All right, so we have for Monday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursdays, and we have Friday. So we have our FOMC, we have NFP this week, we have NFP this week. So the week is going to be there's going to be a massive move for this week, and I will advise you can see it here on Thursday we have Euro Summit, right, where they intend to reduce the interest rate, right? This is very key to euro as a currency. So make sure you minimize your risk for this week. Okay, so all of these red folders. Now my advice based on this red folder is this: the best days to trade for this new week is on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. You get that now? All right, less is more. I know a lot of people have a itching hand and can't sit on their hands when necessary. So, but nevertheless, for other days you can scalp or make sure you minimize your risk. But the best days where you will have a good setup, where you can have a good move, should be Monday, Tuesday, right? So you have to make sure you sit on your hands or you scalp and wait for Friday for another bigger move. So that is this on our Forex Factory. Don't forget that Forex Factories are drivers, they are propellers to your directed anticipation in the marketplace. All right, so let's hop into our chart based on these informations we have on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday to trade. Let's now hop into the chart and see what to do and how to go about them. So based on what we have seen so far in our Forex Factory, what are we now anticipating on GBPUSD? So we're anticipating price. Listen carefully, and we're anticipating that price should drop into this FVG, which is what, a block here, or this FVG should go lower into this FVG and push up. Now take note of this. If price does push down on Monday below the Friday low, then you have to look for a buying setup. a buying setup that should give at least 50 pips to the upside, and that should cover up between Monday and Tuesday. Do you get that now? So if price on Monday from Asian down to London session goes below the previous week low, what do? You anticipate to take a bullish, position to target at least 50 pips. All right, at least 50 pips on GBPUSD. But if price open and refuse to take in the low, probably hovering 50% of the Friday or above it, probably into the true day open of last week Friday, what do? Probably you might be thinking of taking more sales to the downside. All right, but me, I am only waiting for price to go down here for me to push up. But if it did not, I will go the opposite direction based on what the fundamentals is, a kind of relating to me. You get that now? So build your strategies around those information. Don't forget, we still have price to push up if there is no objection, or probably if there is no counter to what we are anticipating, then price should therefore move, because we have the monthly FVG on this axis here. But we are talking about what price should be doing. We're going to be reacting to what price is doing currently, not what we are predicting. You get that now? Now on EURUSD, same thing on EURUSD. On EURUSD, I'm going to be anticipating price to take the low. If price takes the low, right, we have a lot of, you go to H4, you have a lot of rejection block within this angle here before this last one. So if price takes the low from Asian down to London section, I'm going to look for a buying scenario to give me at least 50 pips, all right, into this FVG before deciding what to do. So it's going to be within Monday and Tuesday only. Build your setup within Monday and Tuesday before you wait for Friday. All right, but if price opens and goes upwards at London section, maybe into the true day open of Friday, we might consider a selling scenario to take the low. Right, a selling scenario to take the low. So this, what I'm giving to you now, is basically on Monday/Tuesday, but especially Monday. If price takes the low, we're going to look for a bullish move. All right, that is that on EURUSD and GBPUSD. And when you are done on Monday, Tuesday, you hold on till Friday. Probably hop into the channel and we'll give you update on what you have to look out for based on what market is said to be doing. Don't forget, we have a lot of issues with tariffs that has been, announced by the new president of the US, Donald Trump, and we also have a retaliation by the Chinese president on how to retaliate to what Donald Trump has already issued out as regarding tariffs. So we're going to have a lot of issues. So I have to keep you abreast on that on daily basis to know what to do and how to go about it. But what I'm showing to you now is a trade for Monday or Tuesday, and you should be good for the week. And don't forget, on DXY here, this is the range we are working on DXY. All right, so we might be anticipating price to drop down to take this low, or price can push up to take the higher part, but we are still hoping that price should drop down to take the low here. All right, so trade safe and drop your questions or your comment in our comment section when necessary, or you hop into our Telegram to ask question. All right, till we meet weekend for a review on what I have just said. Let's see how the market goes. All right, till we meet on weekend. God bless you and have a good trading week. Bye.